Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to create a Gmail account professionally. To create a Gmail account, I would like to use a browser Chrome that I have been installed in my iPhone. I need to go to Chrome here, right? After that, let's go to the option search Google or type URL. I would like to type create Gmail account like this. Create Gmail account. Choose this one, right? I would like to choose the first option right here, support.google.com, create a Gmail account, right? Let me scroll up a little bit. This is the important tip that you need to follow. Number 1 to number 5. You can read if you have enough time, but I don't. Let's go to the option create an account here. After that, let's go to the option create account. There are 3 types of account. The first type is for my personal use, and the second type is for my child, and the last type or the third types is for work or my business. So that this account I would like to create for my personal use. I would like to choose the option for my personal use. Yeah, the first one. Create a Google account, enter your name, first name and last name. Last name is optional. You can add or you cannot add, depend on you. Yeah, you can use your nickname, your real name, that's depend on you. Let's go to the first box. I need to type anything, and the next one I would like to choose okay, choose the option next. It is about the basic information. Enter your birthday and gender, month, day, year, and the last one is gender. I would like to choose the month, or enter the month. I choose, yeah, was it September, right? And day, I would like to enter 12, and year, I would like to choose, yeah. It means that you are older than 18 years old, but I don't show you my age or my year. After completing your birthday, let's choose your gender. Let's go to the gender box together. If you are a female, so that you can choose female. If you are a male, so that you can choose male. I would like to choose female. After completing, let's go to the option next. Create an email address. Create a Gmail address for signing in. There are 2 email addresses that have been created, so that I don't want to get an email address that have been created. I need to choose the option create your own Gmail address. I want to create my own Gmail address or email address. I need to enter my own email address. Yeah, this is the email address that I have been created, so that I don't show you. After that, let's go to the option next. To create a strong password. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbol. You type anything right, and you cannot see anything that you have been typed. So that let's go to the option show password here. Tick this box right. After ticking, you can see anything, right? You can see anything that you have been typed. Just an example, SDG. And the second box, confirm your password. It means that your first box, you type anything, you need to type or you must copy the first box password and paste into the second box to confirm password, the same previous password, right? S, you are right. DG, this is the example. It means that confirm your own password. The first box and the second box are the same. I need to create my own password and I don't show you, right? Let's go to the option next. Yeah, this option you need to confirm that you are not a robot, right? I need to enter my phone number. After completing the own phone number, let's go to the option next. Confirm the code you received. Just get the code from my SMS. Yeah, this is the code that has been sent into my SMS. After pasting the code, let's go to the option next. You can skip or you can add the recovery email. If you have a strong email address, yeah, you can add an email address to recovery this account. I will show you next time how to add a recovery email. I would like to choose the option skip. Review your account info. Yeah, this is my email account that I have been created. Let's go to the option next together. This is the privacy and terms. Scroll up a little bit and choose the option I agree. I have been granted my own email address, right? I choose the option dismiss, right? The option you can set your home address, but I don't want to set my home address, so that I need to choose the option dismiss. I don't want to add card, right? I choose the option dismiss also. After creating your email address, right now I would like to show you how to make your Gmail account much more privacy. Let's go to the option security and sign in. Let's scroll up. Yeah, I need to add a recovery phone number, right? Yeah, add a mobile number. Let's go to the option recovery phone number. You need to enter your Gmail account password, but I don't show you. Let's go to the option next. Add a recovery phone number. I need to change my country. Yeah, I am living here in Cambodia, so that I need to change the country, right? Scroll up a little bit and choose Cambodia. Where is it? Yeah, this one, Cambodia, right? Cambodia. I need to enter my own phone number. After that, I would like to click the option next. This one, I would like to click the option save. I have been adding my own phone number. Right now, I would like to verify my email account. Let's go to this option. There may be other numbers associated with your Google account. Let's go to the option manage your phone number here. Let's go to this option. Yeah, verify now. Let's go to this option. Let's go to the option update number. Yeah, this is the phone number you want to change, or you don't want to change that, or that's depend on you. Go to the option next, and then I would like to get code here. Wait a little bit. The code will be sent into my SMS. Right now I would like to go to the SMS app. Yeah, this is the code that has been sent. I would like to copy, right? This is the code that has been sent into my SMS correctly. I would like to go to the option verify. Your number can be used to deliver important notification, have you signed in, and more. I have been verified my email address or my Gmail account already. Go back. Has been verified. Go back also. I don't want to add a recovery email. I will show you next video. Right now, I would like to go to the option security sign in. I will show you how to make your Gmail account strongly, right? Let's go up a little bit. Yeah, this is the phone number that I have been added. Right now, let's go to the option two-step verification to turn it on. After that, scroll up. This is the number that I have been added and verified. Let's go to the option turn on two-step verification. Yeah, this is my own phone number. I would like to choose the option done. The two-step verification has been turned on. Right now, go back. Two-step verification on since 2:40 p.m. right? This is the way or the tip that I have been shown you to create a Gmail account correctly and professionally. See you next videos.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.